Guys, first of all we will make flowers for hanging. The colors we need are white, orange and green. First of all we will make a circle of diameter 5 centimeter like this on a sheet. So guys, you can see this. I have just cut in diameter of 5 centimeter. Now we will just fold it like this. Now we will put them like this and just make a little bit more fold like this. We have to do all. Now we will put it on like this. Guys, now with the help of a stapler we will just put it like this and we have to do like this. Guys, we have to open this all. Now here with the help of glue we will stick it. So guys, we have done this. Now we will paste a little stone or a paper cuts on it with the help of a glue. So guys, you can see this. Now we will make all. So guys, we are done with our all flowers. Now we will make the main hanger with a newspaper. Make sure that the newspaper should be old. Guys, we will just fold it like this. Now here we will apply the glue. Now we will just fold it like this. Guys, we will make one more fold like this and make it with a stapler. You have to just use it like this. So guys, we will just make it like this and make a one more stapler here. Now we will make the outer cover with a paper. Guys, I have cut a white paper. Now I will cut the orange paper and just paste it here. Now similarly we will paste the green paper on it. Guys, now we will help of a blue gel pen. We will make chakras in this between. You can have a look towards it. It is ready. Now we will paste it on this. Now guys, it is ready. Guys, we have to take the main hanger and some wool. We have to cut into same length. Now we have to just put it like this and with the help of a sellotape we will just paste it like this. You have to do it 4 times. Guys, you can have a look towards it. So guys, I have made a knot here like this. It is done. Now we have to just put the wool here also and paste the flowers on it. Do it. So guys, you can see this. I have pasted all the flowers on the wool. Now we will paste on the hanger. So let's paste it. So guys, you can see this. We have done this. You can also make this. Guys, I expect from you that you like this creativity. If you like this creativity, please subscribe on my channel and to set aside to share that bell icon for more updates. And if you like this, please comment down below. And the link of my channel is in the description box. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.